So yesterday I went for the same walk I normally go on, or I have gone on several occasions, down to the north end of the road. And when I got to the market up there, as you'll see here in a second, there were 3 military trucks, camo trucks, each with 5 military guys in it. And I'm not sure what they were doing, but they were going around down at the end there. The video that I shot yesterday had a couple guys in a fishing boat, and that's where they were yesterday. So kind of interesting. I'm not sure what they were doing. And actually I saw them, you'll see up here in a little bit, as I got back to the unit, to our condo, they drove past. So yeah, a little excitement there. I think there were 15 outfitted military guys in camo. Surprised I didn't see more of that actually on this trip, to be honest. There's a 4-seater pickup truck over there. Volkswagen. Not sure what these guys are doing. So while I said earlier that I go on this same walk every day, or I've gone several times, the truth is that I try to do something a little different every day. So on this day, I actually went in some of the little inlet offshoot roads that I hadn't gone on before. And then actually when I came back, you'll see in the afternoon, I walked down the beach. My feet were feeling good enough to do that. So I walked the other way down the beach to the place where I knew that the road came into it so I could get back. So it was interesting though, this section right here on the beach, this is a huge vacant lot, and on the other side of that lot there's somebody built a wall and a really expensive, beautiful looking gatehouse and everything. It looks completely abandoned now, but it's interesting the way that the beach expands into that space. Makes you realize that what kind of an impact this has on the natural beach.